Hello my friends, I'm Don, an Albanian vlogger, travel vlogger basically, and this is probably one of the best beaches in Europe, Ksamil Island and Ksamil Beach. The views are stunning, I don't have too much to talk and to vlog here. Of course, I had a lot of adventure and that underwater world was amazing, but the views talk by himself. Enjoy this vlog, this amazing, beautiful trip, one of the most memorable that I have ever had.
Now we are in Ksamil city town. It's a town, better say. It's not a city, it's a small place, but it's one of the most beautiful beaches. Some of the most beautiful beaches probably in the whole Europe. This is like the Maldives of Europe. It's undiscovered fully because mostly of people and Europeans or worldwide. It's not well known place. Nowadays it's getting more and more popular, but this is absolutely one of the most beautiful places. The beaches are stunning. I can't say anything more than stunning because they're really beautiful. It's a little bit hot. It's summertime, but Albania this year has been extremely hot, but we will try to do our best. The beaches, here are more than 3 or 4 islands, small islands, which are near the border, which are near the shores, and we hope we can visit one of them, which are uninhabited, but during the summer months you have some beaches, some beds and not restaurant, but clubs maybe for drinks and coffee in those islands, but truly, generally they are uninhabited. So let's see what we can do. I hope we can find something beautiful today.
Hello guys, welcome.
This is the club and this is the beach here, and this is one of the most beautiful beaches. Island over there, another one over there. This is like one of the most closest islands, and it's absolutely beautiful. This is what you can find in Ksamil Island in Albania. A lot of vegetation from the shores, but it's absolutely beautiful. I'm like super enjoying the staying here. It's one of the most beautiful beaches I have ever been, and it's my first time here in this place. But be careful from the sea urchins, so you can hurt and damage your leg. this is one of the most beautiful places I have ever been. Beautiful, absolutely. One of the best beaches in Europe, I think. This is no doubt. I know that I have only GoPro because I couldn't get my camera and the drone because I came here swimming as I show, and I couldn't do that, but I hope later we can do and take some shots. What is known as the three-island beach in Ksamil, Albania, which is absolutely one of the best. I doubt have one like this in whole Europe. I mean, it's so unique. Maybe it's not the most beautiful, which is probably one of the most beautiful beaches in the whole Europe, but absolutely unique one with such a wonderful island, the beach that I showed you before, and now the sand, the clean waters, the Corfu channel behind me. It's absolutely mesmerizing here. We will close this vlog nearly. Don't have a lot of time here, but let's see how it. Let's drink something, probably a coffee, because coffee lover as always in some need. Coffee with this view, absolutely mesmerizing, wonderful. Now we will just drink the coffee, fast coffee here. Drinking coffee because I really need a coffee. Has been a tiring day. Okay, it's so hot, and the cold coffee because I think it's too hot for espresso. I needed an espresso, but better cold coffee now. And later we'll show you also the prices how are, because it's known that in Albania this is one of the most expensive prices, but expensive places. But let's see how it will be. Not sure for that. prices were like normal for all all the coastline in every part of Albania. Which are much cheaper than other part of Europe. For two coffees, one beer, and two waters, we pay 600 lek, which is about less than 4.5 euros or $4.5. It's good. It's coming. The end of the day, it was a very beautiful day. Someone invited me to come here, and this place is really beautiful. Also, the club here, it's super nice. The prices are also good. A friend of mine invited. We were in Butrin. That will be another vlog. And also, we came here for beach. We didn't pay for some beds. I don't know if they are totally private, but I think if you don't have money or you don't want to pay for the beds, some beds, you can come here and enjoy the sun and everything that it is. Also, to the island that I'm showing right now, you can go with swimming. You can go swimming, so you can go swimming. I go and swim till there and also to the other island, which is less than 50 meters or more, maybe 100 meters from the shore, but it's okay. You need just to be a normal swimmer, not a good one, to know swimming, better say. It was absolutely a memorable experience. Also, this beach, highly recommend. And from dawn, you know what to do. I'm Albanian, but I have never been to that island and to that beach till now, 25. So a lot of years without coming there. And today I discovered it. I haven't never seen it also in other TVs or emissions or TV programs. So it was something new also for me. That was a happy day, a bit tired because also did some work, and let's continue with, and let's see how it will be the next days here in South. See you guys.